are going to love 2006 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, fog lights, leather upholstery, audio headphone jacks, rear, audio speed-sensitive volume control, audio rear volume control, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.